I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to sign up on Pinterest. For that, open up your Pinterest app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see that you can sign up with email, Facebook or Google. For now, I'm going to sign up with email. Enter your email address and then tap on next. Create a password, and when you're done, tap on next. Enter your age and select next. For relevant content, select your gender. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on Save Password if you want to save your password on your iCloud keychain. If not, tap on Don't Allow. Now you'll have to select your country. Tap on Next, which is at the bottom of your screen. Pick any 5 or more topics that you are interested in. Tap on Next, which is on the top right of your screen. This way you can easily create Pinterest account.
How you can log into your Pinterest account. So first of all, open the Pinterest app. So once opened, tap on the login option. Now enter your email address. So this is the email address with which you have created your Pinterest account in the first place. So enter your email address, then enter your password. Now tap on the login option. If you want Pinterest to save password for this website, tap on the save password option, or you can also skip that part. So that's how you can log into your Pinterest account, how you can post a picture on your Pinterest account. So first of all, open the Pinterest app. Once opened, on the bottom of the screen you will see your icon with saved written underneath. Tap on the icon. Then once you reach this page, on the upper right side of the screen you will see a plus sign. Tap on it. Now to post a picture on your Pinterest, tap on the pin option. Now choose the photo you want to post, then tap on the next option once again. If you want to give a title to your photo, write a title in this place. Now you can also give a description about this pin / photo, or and you can also add a link of the website. Then afterwards, when you do all of this, tap on the next option. Now you also need to create a board. Write a name in this box, then tap on the create option. So that's how you have posted a picture on your Pinterest account. How you can change the password of your Pinterest account. So first of all, open the Pinterest app. So once you reach this page, on the bottom of the screen you will see your icon with saved written underneath it. Tap on it. Again, tap on the round badge which is on the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on the icon which is on the upper right corner of the screen. Once you tap that, this will open the settings. Now under settings, tap on the account settings option. Now once this page opens up, tap on the password option. So now to change your password, first of all you need to type your current password. Now type your new password. Again, confirm the new password. Then once you've done this, tap on the done option which is on the upper right corner of the screen. So that's how you have changed the password of your Pinterest account. If you want to save the password, tap on the save password option, or you can also skip the part. That's how you change the password of your Pinterest account. How you can download an image from the Pinterest. So first of all, open the Pinterest app. Make sure you are logged into your Pinterest. So now choose the image you want to download. Once the image has loaded, tap on the 3 horizontal dots which is on the upper right corner of the screen. Now you will see your option with download image. Tap on it. So the image has been downloaded.
How to follow someone on Pinterest. Now moving back to our video, we can also follow someone on Pinterest. From following someone in Instagram, now we can also follow someone on Pinterest. So today we'll be learning how to follow someone. But before following someone, make sure that your device is connected to the internet, and also make sure that you have successfully logged in to your Pinterest account. Then open the application or web page. Then after opening, either search any account that you want to follow or from any post which was uploaded by someone. If you like certain post and you want to follow the creator of that post, scroll it a little bit and then you can see the one who uploaded, and right beside the name there will be a follow button. Press the follow button. If you press the follow button, you will be successfully following that person on Pinterest. And if not, you want to search a username, go to the search button and in the search bar type whom you want to follow. Then enter the username and then go to profiles. You will see different profiles and choose any one which you want to follow, and there you can see a red follow button. Press there. After pressing, you will be successfully following that person on Pinterest. How to create a board on Pinterest. Now, moving back to this interesting topic, make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Then also make sure that you have logged into your Pinterest account. If not, you need to. Then open Pinterest application or web page. Then go to your profile, which is located down below on your screen. And after going to your profile, there you can see a plus button right after the settings or right after the search bar. Press the plus button. Then it will ask you to create a pin or a board. Press the board button. Then it will ask you to enter the board name. Enter any name. And it will also ask you either you want to add some collaborators. If yes, press the plus icon. If no, then go to the next step. And the next step is visibility. It will ask you either to keep this board a secret one or make it public. If you want to make it secret, then press the button right after the topic. Then press the next button, which is located on the top right hand side. Then it will ask you to add pins. Select different pins and press the done button. Then your board will be successfully created. How to block someone on Pinterest. Now, moving back to our video, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet, and also Pinterest is downloaded on your mobile phone. If not, you can also use Google Chrome. Then open Pinterest application or web page. Then there below you can see different options, and on the bottom right hand side you can see your profile. Press there. After that you can see your followers and following people. Then go to following and then choose any account that you want to block. Press on the name and then you will be taken successfully into that person's profile. Then over there you can see a 3 dot. Press over there. If you press there, it will show profile option. It will either ask you to message, block or report the user. In today's video, we are going to block someone on Pinterest, so press the block option. It will ask you if you want to block a specific person. It will warn you that if you block that specific person, you won't be able to follow each other or interact with each other's pin. If you want to allow, then press the block button. Then you will successfully block the user.
How to turn on dark mode on Pinterest? Let's begin the video. Tap open your Pinterest app and sign in your account. If you already sign in, go to your profile page, which is at the bottom of the page. After that, click on the settings, which is on the top right corner. After tapping the settings, you can see the many options. Click on the account settings. After that, you can see the app theme. Tap the option. Now you can see the system default. You can turn on the light mode and dark mode. Tap on the dark mode. Now your Pinterest is on the dark mode. Dark mode feature on Pinterest darkens the Pinterest interface across the app on both iOS and Android. Enable dark mode on Pinterest so that it can be easier on the eyes, better for the nighttime browsing, and in some cases it is helpful with the battery life. So that is how you can quickly turn on dark mode on Pinterest. How to keep Pinterest account private? Let's begin the video. You cannot completely hide your active account on Pinterest, but you can use secret boards to keep all of your pins hidden from other people. Only you can view on secret board unless you invite another person. In order to make your board private on Pinterest, open Pinterest app and log in your account. After that, tap on your profile icon, which is at the bottom of the page. After that, tap on the board that you want to hide. Click on the 3 dot button, which is on the top right corner. Now select the edit board option. Now this page will appear on an icon. Enable keep this board secret button. Simply tapping on it. You can do this to all of your boards in case if you want to make them private. After enabling the option, you can tap the done button. In this way, you can keep your Pinterest account private. How to link Instagram to your Pinterest account? Let's begin the video. Open the Pinterest app and simply log into your account. After logging in, you can go to the profile page. After that, tap on the settings icon, which is on the top right corner. Tap on the settings. After that, go to the account settings. Tap the button and then scroll down. There you can find the claim accounts. Select the option. Now enable the button right next to Instagram to link your account. After that, you have to log in your Instagram account. Fill the boxes, adding all the credentials. Now you can tap the login button. Tap the save info button. Allow the access on Pinterest, and that way you can have simply linked your Instagram to Pinterest. Here you can see connected. When you connect Instagram to Pinterest, your account will receive attribution for all the Instagram posts that you saved on Pinterest. That means anytime someone saves a pin from your Instagram, it will be attributed or associated with your Pinterest. You can also link YouTube accounts to Pinterest using your computer or mobile.
How to delete a board on Pinterest. Now moving back to deleting a board on Pinterest, make sure that your device is connected to the internet and also make sure that you have logged into your Pinterest account. Then open Pinterest application or web page. Then again go to your profile, and then also you have to make sure that you have already created a board to delete it. Now after you select what you want to delete it, press the board, hold the board for few seconds, and then it will show two options. Drag to the one which says edit, then leave it. Then it will open another page saying edit board. Over here you can edit the name, write description, add collaborators and the visibility of this board. And also down there you can see a delete button. Press the delete button. It will warn you that you will not be able to get it back. After you are sure that you want to delete it, press the delete button. Then the board will be successfully deleted.
How to recover Pinterest account. So without any further delay, let's dive in. In order to recover the Pinterest account, first we need to open the application. After opening the application, as you guys can see, such page, and on the email address, I'm going to write my email. And after writing our email address, we need to tap on continue. On the last, we can see a forgot password option, and we are going to tap on forgot password. So if you have forgotten your password, then Pinterest account will immediately send an email on your email address, and through that which you can create a new password. So I'm simply going to tap on OK. After opening the email address, we can see reset your password email from Pinterest application, and we need to tap on the reset password. So here on the blank, we need to create a new password. So let's type a new password and tap on login. So you can see our password has been changed, and in order to open the Pinterest account, you simply need to type your Gmail and the password which you have just changed.
How to add pin to your Pinterest. So to add to your Pinterest, you can just go to your Pinterest app in your mobile. On the bottom right, you can see your profile. You have to click on that. And again on the top right, you can see a plus button. You have to click on that. You can select pin here. It is asking the permission to access our gallery to upload a photo. Then you have to click on next. You have to allow Pinterest to access the SD card. Click on allow. Then you can select a photo here and click on next. You can select a title here for our pin, and you can keep descriptions and website here. I'll skip that part and click on next. You can create a board here for your pins. You can click on create to create your board. And yes, as you can see, one pin is created on our Pinterest and it is saved to your board. In this way, you can create a pin on your Pinterest.
How to recover Pinterest account. For that, first of all, open up your Pinterest app on your phone. After you open up your app, there you can see the option of login. Tap on it. There you can see the option of forgot your password. Tap on it. To find your Pinterest account, you'll need to enter your email, name or your username. And when you're done, tap on send a password reset email. Pinterest have sent you a password reset email. Open up your mail. After you open up your mail, there you'll see the option of reset password. Tap on it. You'll now need to set a new password, and when you're done, tap on Change Password. A pop-up message will appear on your screen. Tap on Save Password if you like to save the password on your iCloud keychain. If not, tap on Don't Allow. This way you can easily recover your Pinterest account.
How you can log out from your Pinterest account. So first of all, open the Pinterest app. Once opened, on the bottom of the screen you will see your icon with saved written underneath it. Tap on it. Now on the upper right corner of the screen you will see your icon. Tap on it. Now under the actions heading you will see your logout option. Tap on it, and that's how you log out from your Pinterest account.
How to delete your Pinterest account. For that, first of all, open up your Pinterest app on your phone. After you open up your app, on bottom right you'll see a saved option. Tap on it. Now on top right side you'll see a settings icon. Tap on it. Go to account settings. Scroll down and you'll see the option of close account. Tap on close account. Select the reason why you are leaving and then tap on next. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to leave Pinterest. Tap on Send Email to finish closing your account. Now, Pinterest will send you a mail. Open up the mail. After that, tap on Yes, Delete Account. This way you can easily delete Pinterest account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.